Okay, Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So today we will create the mesh 2 and mesh 3. This is a continuity video from the previous video, which is we already created the mesh 1. Now we try to do the mesh 2. First of all, we need to know the crack size, local crack size. In our case, we have material aluminum Si10 Mg. Okay, so we have length of 25 times 25. This is xy plane times 15. Then the first crack is from this location. Okay, we have two cracks. First is the green one. The length is 1.2 and from minus 9.72 to 1.2, and the coordinate of this length is 3 minus 4.03, 3.84. So we need to calculate the range of this length from here to here. So it is about 9.72 plus 1.2. Okay, the distance crack length is 10.92 and the crack depth is 3.84. The location of this center of this crack is at x-axis is minus 4.03. Okay, for this crack, for the second crack, we have starting from 1.91 until this one is 8.44. So the range is 8.44 minus 9.91. Okay, so we have 6.53, and the crack depth is 2.43 with the x-axis is 5.21. So I already set it here. Okay, here align here. This one should be aligned here. Okay, so these two cracks of information we need to draw in our SFAM. So let us focus on our SFAM. Minimize this one. Okay. Okay. So in a previous, I already draw this one. So we need to copy this folder and paste and rename it. Make sure all file already transfer. Okay, we delete this file because this is the result file and this is the previous file, original file. Okay, so we don't want this one because we will create a new one, and mesh 3 as well. Okay, alright, so what we do, I'll rename first. Rename the file, rename to crack ESI10 mg. Okay, so experiment, experiment. Okay, okay. Now close this file first. Sorry, share. Okay, minimize. Okay, now we have this new folder with empty mesh 2 and mesh 1 and mesh 3. Mesh 1 we're still using the same mesh. Okay, now we try to create the cracks. Okay, but our mesh 1 is not according to, still not according to our this size. We only have 25 25 times 25 for our first mesh, but never mind, because we want to create this mesh 2 first and mesh 3, and then later on we will modify the mesh 1. So in this video I want to show the mesh 2 and mesh 3 only. Yeah, so regardless it is not the same on the mesh 1. Okay, alright, we go for mesh 2. So we open in terminal. We need to create a front folder, front 0 folder, ls, which is empty. Then we need to call sfm pack. We need to use the old one, old version, since the old version is create create the correct front 0.img file. Okay, click enter, and now he asks the x direction. Then we need to, x direction means this direction, the length of the first crack. So our crack is 10.92. So okay, our crack is 10.92. Okay, so x direction is 10.92 and y direction is 3.84. 3.84, enter. And now he asks the center of the crack, which is minus 4.03. Okay, enter. Number of division, how many elements I note at this crack front. So normally I just key in 30. Okay, now we have this coordinate, 30 coordinate with a center of 384 and coordinate of the largest coordinate is 14. I think big mistake here. It should be a minus 10. And 6.9.72. the x value, the x value 1.2. Okay, so he asking I'm keying the radius. Oh, I'm keying the diameter just now. So the radius should be divided by 2. This one, divided by 2. So, okay, this one also should divide by 2 because this is radius, not the diameter. Okay, so we need to do another one. We normally, if you don't want to delete also okay, because it will rewrite, but for the sake of video uh, purpose, I just delete it, and then we just key in the up arrow, upside arrow, so it will generate the previous information that we already key in just now. So we want to call the surface gen in surface backbore. So we key in enter, asking the direction 5.46, enter. Y direction is same, 3.84, okay, enter. Position in center is minus 4.03, number position 30. Okay, now we have run 0. So, oh, need to reload because okay, 9, okay, 9 something, 9 from 9, okay, this one is 1.48 something, alright, let's check, and here, is it 9, 9.72, this one, 1.2, 1.4, 1.4, okay. Okay, this one is for mesh 2. Now for mesh 3, open in terminal, mesh 3, it is empty at the first. Now we need to call the SFM pack hole, surface gen, enter, radius in X direction. So in X direction we have 3.265, 3.265, enter. Y direction is 2.43, position is 5.21, position same 30. Okay, we check. So we got 8 point something. Oops. So here we have 8.44. Okay, here is 1.91. Slightly different. Slightly different. Okay, never mind. We just proceed with the current setting. So let's say we have that particular crack. for mesh 2 and mesh 3. Now we already have sufficient. What we do, we can try to run this program by using the SFM pack 2 cracks, then SFM tool without 3D. SFM tool without 3D. We have two types, two versions. First is SFM tools, and another one is SFM tool 3D. Drag, draw, crack, and enter. Okay, it's running. Let's see the condition. It run until 10. Okay, make sure this one is 2, 1, 1. 1 is for surface crack, the first crack, mesh 2. Mesh 3 also surface crack 1. If we started 0, then it will go for embedded crack. Okay, we adjust this one. Okay, now we need to copy the, we enter in the 000, which is created after we generate a crack row. After we run crack row, it will generate 000, and then we take a mesh 2. Let me check. I think it's supposed to have a mesh 1, 2, 3. So let us check it is, if it's already only 1 and 2. Don't know why it generate only condition. Yeah, 2. 2 is for number of crack 2. Yeah, have 2. Number of crack 2. Step number is 10. Maybe it is too small. So this one is the distance, combined distance between the crack. If we set it as a 2, so if it is less than 2, then it will create a 1, it will combine the cracks. So now our distance is about 1.91 and 1.2, so it is less than 0.5. Less than 9. 9 times minus 2 is 7, so I just make it a 0.5. If less than 0.5, we simulate as a 1 crack. If greater, we simulate as 2 crack. I think that's why you only have 2 crack here. Okay, we stop the simulation first and cancel the simulation, delete the file, and we run again. Same command. Okay, Now we look, also have two mesh. Never mind. We check. We copy the mesh file, mesh.mp in 000 folder, and then we paste it at here because we want to see the CSFAM. Okay. Directory name, number of local is only, let us take 2 first, we try, cannot, because no mesh 3, one mesh, correct, it's already combined. Because the distance is too close, so it's already combined. So this is the mesh one I told you just now. Distance is 25, 25, and also here is 25. We're supposed to cut it until 15, but I will make it later to modify the global mesh. This one I would like to show the mesh 2 and mesh 3 generation. So let us finish. We only have okay, we have 000 and 001. Okay, which means it's already run for second step. But here it's reading for step number 0. We just click right button, number 1, back number 0. Look at here, a little change. This one 0, this one 1. Okay, let us finish the simulation first. Okay, now the simulation already complete. So we just now we run for step 0 and 1, step number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 10, 7, 8, 9. Okay, as in our results in experiment, if we look at here, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, then the detail we need to see in this folder. This folder we have the coordinate mesh to front 0 or front.imp. This is the coordinate 15 front 0 or front.imp. You need to check either one, either front 0 or front.mp. 6, 3, slightly the same. Okay, so the coordinate is from here. So we need to take out this file and then put in the Excel graph, and then we can compare side by side with the experimental. Okay, so that's all for the time being. For the development of mesh 2 and 3, just now the problem is it is not exactly as same as this crack value. So we need to investigate why it is happened, and if there is a I will produce another video if I already find out what is actually happened just now. Okay, thank you very much. See you again.